Hi, welcome to Grade 6 ELA. On Tuesday, we close read the article called Scientists Worry Dolphins Are in Danger from Hunting in the Solomon Islands. Today we will be answering some text-based questions. If you're ready, let's get started. Number 1 says, which paragraph in the introduction, paragraphs 1 through 4, describe how hunters hunt dolphins? So we're trying to find which one describes how the hunters hunt dolphins. So let's take our close reading passage and let's reread. We're looking for how the hunters hunt dolphins. Fishermen in the Solomon Islands are used to hunting dolphins for their meat and teeth. More than 900 islands make up the country of the Solomon Islands. It is in the Pacific Ocean near Australia. Okay, this doesn't talk about how they catch the dolphins. People who live in the Solomon Islands have a tradition of hunting dolphins. They make necklaces out of dolphin teeth, which are then used as prizes that young men give to their future wives. Dolphin meat is also sold for money. Again, this paragraph 2 does not talk about how they hunt for dolphins. Each dolphin tooth is worth about 70 cents in American money. It's worth much more to the people in the Solomon Islands. Prices have also gone up a lot in the past 10 years. Hunters want to make money, so they hunt as many dolphins as they can. Okay, again, this paragraph does not explain how they hunt for dolphins. So paragraph 4, fishermen in the islands use a form of fishing called drive hunting. Groups of hunters on canoes clap stones together. The clacking sound gathers the dolphins so the hunters can kill them. So this paragraph number 4, fishermen in the island use a form of fishing called drive hunting. Groups of hunters on canoes clap stones together. The clacking sound gathers the dolphins so the hunters can kill them. That is my answer to question number 1. So paragraph 4 does talk about how the hunters hunt for dolphins. So our answer for number 1 is paragraph number 4. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. Which of the following statements can be inferred based on the information in this section? How many dolphins are being killed? So, which statements can be inferred? Inferred means figuring out something that the author doesn't actually say. You can use clues that are in the text and things from your own mind to reach a conclusion. So let's take a look at letter A. A says, before 1976, no dolphins were hunted or killed. Well, let's take a look at our text. In our text, it said that before 1976, there were no studies done before that date. But in the text, it says that people had a tradition of hunting dolphins. So in this paragraph 2, it says the people who lived in the Solomon Islands have a tradition of hunting dolphins. The tradition means that they do it all the time. It's passed on from generation to generation. So that would make letter A, before 1976 no dolphins were hunted. That's not true. So we can get rid of letter A. Let's take a look at letter B. Between 1976 and 2013, dolphins were the only sea animals being hunted. Well, if we go back into our text again, it says between 1976 and 2013, dolphins were the only sea animals. Let's take a look. In our text, it said that, let's go down to this section 3, paragraph 3. It said that scientists said that shows that hunting should be regulated. The International Whaling Commission protects whales, but it does not look after small marine mammals such as dolphins. So we could tell that if the International Whaling Commission protects whales and it doesn't protect other animals like dolphins, that's showing us that dolphins aren't the only animals that were being hunted. It wasn't the only animal. So for that reason then, dolphins were the only sea animals being hunted. That would also be wrong. Let's move on to letter C. Not many dolphins were killed between 2010 and 2013. Well, let's go to the section that said how many dolphins are being killed. So if we go to this section, how many dolphins are being killed, the reason why there weren't very many dolphins killed between the years 2010 and 2013, let's go back to our text. It said that in 2010, the village made a deal with the international group not to hunt. The group gave them money to keep them from hunting dolphins. But then in 2013, the deal broke and hunting began again. So if we look back at our question, it says not many dolphins were killed between 2010 and 2013. Well, that is true because they made a deal. They said that they would give them money to stop hunting dolphins. So between 2010 and 2013, when the deal broke, they stopped hunting dolphins. So that one is correct. And if we just take a look at D, it said after 2013, hunters only killed one type of dolphin. Well, again, if we go back into our text, if we look down here in the section called how many dolphins were killed, again, if we look at the very last statement, it says, what they found was troubling. During just the first 3 months of 2013, the villagers killed at least 1,674 dolphins. Most of them were spotted dolphins, but the fishermen also killed spinner dolphins and bottlenose dolphins. So based on that evidence, we know that this was also incorrect. They didn't just kill one type. All right, let's move on to question number 3. Read the paragraph from the article. The strong sales of teeth are a worry, said Scott Baker. He helped write the study. As dolphin teeth become more valuable, the dolphin are in worse danger, he said. What is the best replacement for the word strong as used in the paragraph? A, able, B, high, C, tough, D, heavy. All four of these words are synonyms for the word strong. Synonym are words that mean the same or nearly the same. So all of these are synonyms for the word strong. But we're looking for the word that means the strong sales of teeth. The strong sales. So we're looking for a word that means that they sold a lot. That the sales are going up and up and up. So since we're looking for the word that means there's a lot of sales, or that the sales are going higher and higher and higher and more of them, then the answer that we're looking for is letter B. High means that the price keeps going, that the number of sales, meaning there's more and more and more of them, they're selling more and they need more. Okay? And question number 4. Read the sentence from the article. It seems like the fishermen have begun targeting dolphins instead of regular fish. What is the best meaning of the phrase targeting dolphins as used in the sentence? So we want the best meaning for targeting dolphins. So let's take a look at letter A. Letter A says planning for dolphin hunts. Well, if we take a look at our text, the fishermen, in our last section here where it says smaller hunt in Japan was famous in a move, the fishermen didn't plan the hunts. The fishermen said that it was accidental pick up the marine animals in their nets along with fishing. So they weren't planning on the dolphin hunt. It was accidental. So that is incorrect. Letter B, reaching a goal of dolphin kills. Again, they didn't plan. They didn't have a number that they needed to catch. They're saying that it was accidental. So this very last paragraph here, it says fishermen accidentally picked up the marine animals with the fish that they were trying to catch. Again, it says they were accidental. So it wasn't a goal of theirs. It was accidental, so B is also wrong. C, spending less time searching for dolphins. And again, same reason. They're not searching for the dolphins. They're just saying that the fishermen end up accidentally catching them when they go out fishing for fish. So that would also make C wrong. And D, they're looking for and catching dolphins on purpose. So targeting dolphins. So if we go back, targeting means that they intentionally, on purpose, were focusing on getting dolphins. And if you can tell, that was one of our vocabulary words that we circled. It says, it seems like the fishermen have been targeting, and we discussed this on Tuesday, that targeting meant going after the dolphins on purpose. So it seems like are starting to target dolphins, means they're going after them on purpose. So then that would give us letter D. Targeting dolphins, meaning they're actually going after them on purpose. So those are our text-based questions for our close reading article this week. I hope this helped you. Thanks for listening. Bye.